Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Easter is coming up this weekend, and if you're entertaining, you need a great side dish. I have almost 100 recipes on the site, like roasted rainbow carrots, creamed spinach steakhouse style, asparagus with Maltaise sauce, and so on. Now, let's add another one to the list. My broccoli and cauliflower casserole. Creamy, colorful, and delicious, this casserole is a perfect side for your proteins. So let's get cooking. In a wide shallow pan with boiling water, we'll place a steamer basket. We'll add the cauliflower florets first as they're denser, and then the broccoli florets. We'll spread them evenly, cover, and steam for 4 minutes. A few minutes later, and look at their colors. Yum! So we'll remove them from the heat, transfer the veggies to a large bowl, and set them aside. They won't be fully cooked, but keep in mind they're going in the oven for a good 25 minutes, so don't worry about it. Next, in a medium skillet over medium heat, we'll add butter, and lots of it. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add our diced onions and season with ground sea salt. We'll saute them for 3 minutes or until translucent. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and cook for only 1 minute. We'll now add all-purpose flour and stir constantly for 2 minutes to remove the raw taste from the flour. Then we'll add a cup of whole milk and continue stirring until nicely blended so there's no lumps in the mixture. That's a very important step, okay? Now, within 30 seconds, the sauce will thicken. So we'll pour in some chicken broth and continue stirring. We're doing such a great job at it. Oh, and let's not forget to season with freshly ground black pepper. By the way, guys, just to let you know, 99% of the time, I use mixed peppercorns, not just plain black. They have more flavor. Now, if you want to add salt, go ahead. But remember that cheese has already a lot of sodium in it. When everything is well blended, working in batches to prevent from separating, we'll add cheddar cheese. Just add a small handful. And stir until nicely incorporated before adding more. Also, if the heat is too high, reduce to medium-low. After the cheese is all in, we'll remove from the heat and pour a little bit of sauce over the vegetables. We'll gently stir so we don't break the florets before adding more, then stir. We'll add about 2/3 of the sauce, enough to coat the florets, and then transfer the mixture to a 3-quart baking dish that has been greased. We'll spread the veggies evenly and pour the remaining sauce on top. Next, we'll make the topping. In a bowl, we'll add melted butter over the panko breadcrumbs and stir until the ingredients are blended and the texture almost resembles them sand. We'll evenly sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture on top of the vegetables and then do the same with smoked paprika. Not only will it give a nice color to the casserole, but also some smoky flavor. We'll now transfer the baking dish to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and the top is brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our broccoli and cauliflower casserole. The combination of cauliflower and broccoli in a tasty cheese sauce is absolutely outstanding. This casserole is a lovely way to enjoy these healthy vegetables. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!